New coronavirus cases in Victoria have dipped below 100 for the first time in almost 2 months, but there has been another 18 deaths overnight. Live now to Andrew Crothers in Melbourne. Andrew, good morning. So the fall in cases would bring some relief to Victorians.
Good morning, Janie. Well, authorities had expected that we would reach double digits sometime this weekend. Now that's happened, 94 cases recorded overnight. But there is still some concern naturally around the number of deaths. Now, authorities had expected this would take much longer to fall, but we will get a full breakdown in terms of what these numbers mean, the exact details of them from the Premier today when we do get his presser later on. But in terms of what this could mean later on, well, the attention, of course, has turned to restrictions. Yesterday, the Premier gave the strongest indication yet that once this scheduled lockdown ends on September 13, we would still remain in a lockdown, moving to perhaps a stage 3. So for those that can't remember exactly what that means, the main difference is, of course, is the major scale back in workplaces and workplace shutdowns. But in terms of personal restrictions, it's that 5-kilometre lockdown limit, restrictions on the shopping hours and exercise hours, as well as, of course, that big curfew. The one big thing as well being that people can only see their partner. But last night, the Chief Health Officer did give an indication that that may be reassessed and may be considered modified somewhat if we do go back to a stage 3, saying that he is actively considering what could be done for singles. He also earlier in the week gave indication of what might be able to be done to help people actually go and see their families, indicating that mental health still remains a massive concern for them. But today we are seeing some warmer weather in Melbourne, so ADF have joined up with police to help patrol our parks and beaches for those who may be tempted to break those lockdown rules. Janie.
Andrew Crothers, appreciate the update live in Melbourne.